What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Demonlana22, man. We back with y'all with another video, man. And this video gonna be on if the pedal commander is worth it. I got this bitch on the Scat, boy. And questions are, is the pedal commander really worth it? Does it make your car faster? Does it add more horsepower? Is the throttle response? Yes. Now, I'm not gonna say yes to everything, but yes, it makes a huge difference. So let me give y'all some POV and show y'all what the fuck going on, because I'm tired of y'all steady down this motherfucker right here. All right, let's get to it. All right, bro. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Michael Jordan. Shout out Supreme. So look. Excuse the cop, man. Y'all know how life kid. Y'all can't tell me that y'all don't be having shit in y'all seats. So calm all that shit down. You feel what I'm saying? I know this a motherfucking vlog and shit like that. I know, you feel me? I got a motherfucking scat and shit. So y'all want to see everything look clean and nice and shit. But it motherfucking clean and nice and shit. You feel me? It's just, you feel what I'm saying? Like that shit just, all right. Back to the video though. You feel what I'm saying? We got this motherfucking pedal commander connected. We gonna back up out there bit real quick. You feel me? So, hold on. Let me hold that real quick. We'll be right back. All right, bet. So, you feel me? I just want to let y'all know, like, the pedal commander is definitely worth it, bro. You feel me? And, like, I highly suggest that y'all get this shit on any car, you know what I'm saying, where you looking to, you know what I'm saying, get a quicker little response. Or you feel like you lacking something, you feel me? But overall, like, I'll suggest this motherfucker to every car, first off. I always ride on Sport Plus. Always, you feel me? Always on Sport Plus. So let me show y'all what the fuck, how that shit supposed to be looking and shit, Sport Plus. Sport Plus, shit always on 4. Every time you adjust this shit, you always want to make sure that your car is in park, or you got your foot on the brake, bro. Like, the car should not be moving as you're changing the settings on the pedal commander. Point blank period, bro. It should say 0 miles per hour. That's what it should say. The dash should say 0, bro. You feel me? So, look though. One thing I can say about, like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. Like, no bullshit. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. All right, look. Back to the video. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. You feel me? Like, the pedal commander makes a big difference, bro. And it's just an automatic, like, foot on the fucking pedal. Like, pay attention. No bullshit. Like, I love this motherfucker, bro. Tap. 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 Y'all see what it do. Y'all see what this motherfucker do, bro. You gotta be real careful with this motherfucker, man. No bullshit. No bullshit. Also, man, I gotta be honest with y'all boys, bro. I'm gonna be honest with y'all boys, bro. Like, I just feel like and I'm saying this because I have a Scat, bro. So, like, a stock Scat, in my opinion, bro, it's fucking, like, it just seems, like, slow, bro. Like, I don't know, bro. Like, ever since I got the pedal commander, because I had a 5.7 charger before the Scat, and it just seems like, oh my God, bro. Like, if you go from a pedal commander to no pedal commander, bro, it's gonna fucking feel like your car is slow as fuck. Like just the response time of hitting the fucking pedal is insane, bro. Like, you will fuck around, get a head start on a Hellcat or some shit. You feel me? Like you still gonna lose, but, like, it's just like bro, invest into one of these motherfuckers, bro. Like, no bullshit, bro. Invest into one of these motherfuckers, bro. Y'all got me up on this motherfucker stuttering. Like, can't even say my words because, like, that's how confident I am in this motherfucker. Like, buy you a fucking pedal commander, bro. No bullshit. I think y'all might like this view a little better. Had to switch views up on it. Y'all fuck with this? I don't know. What y'all think? I think this might be a little better. Yeah. This might be a little better. Y'all don't want me to get nasty on here. Y'all don't want me to get nasty on here, man. Cause I really dog walk it. I really dog walk this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie, I've been acting bad in this motherfucker lately too. I've been acting bad in this motherfucker lately. But yeah, though, it's just like, it's incredible, bro. Like, I don't know. Let me see if I can get y'all to look at my foot as I'm tapping this fucking pedal, bro. Let me pause this. All right, bet. Too bad y'all can't really get a feel, but y'all can hear the engine. Y'all see it? Y'all see that shit, bro. Y'all see that shit, bro. Get you one of these bitches. It's just beautiful, bro. I fucking love this pedal commander, bro. No bullshit. I'm trying not to talk too much. I just want y'all to see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? I'll let y'all, you know what I'm saying, be the judge after this video. No, the pedal commander does not add horsepower to your car. But it will activate quicker and have all your horses get up quicker. So in fact, it makes your car what? Quicker. 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 Sport Plus, baby. Sport Plus. Foot is off the pedal. I'm about to put my shit back on the pedal. Oh my God. Alright, bro. I'm burning too much gas for y'all niggas, man. Burning too much gas for y'all niggas, man. Too much gas for y'all niggas, man. I'm gonna wrap it up. Alright, gang. More of the story is, get y'all a fucking pedal commander, bro. Like, you know, it pisses me off when I run into so many 5.7 Hemis, you know what I'm saying? And they don't have a pedal commander, bro. Like, you already have the base fucking V8 charger and you don't have a pedal commander on your fucking car, bro. Like, what's going on with you, bro? And that's just outside of any other mods that you will do outside of a fucking, what's the shit called? Fucking air intake and some, you know what I'm saying? You fucking straight pipe your car. Other than that, bro, come on, man. Scats, you know what I'm saying? Get you one as well. You got a Hellcat, I mean, Hellcats are already crazy dumb quick, but it's not a problem investing and just having that motherfucker just sitting right there, bro. Always change your modes on your car, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? Hope y'all enjoyed this video, bro. You feel me? If y'all are new, subscribe, bro. If y'all enjoyed the video, subscribe. Other than that, oh! We'll catch y'all.